Welcome guys. Sunday night, 10 p.m. here in Bangkok, Thailand. And today we are gonna speak on how you can start your week for success. The topic for today is 3 steps to start your week for success, because in order to have an amazing week, a productive week, and get closer to your goals and dreams, you need intention. Success does not happen by accident, and success doesn't happen for everybody just because most people are unconscious on their paradigms and the unconscious patterns they have in their mind. But if you want to switch that, shift your results, then you need to be intentional and aware of what's happening into your life, your results, and in your week. Because if you prepare your day and you have a great day, you will have a great week, a great month, and then a great year. Before we get started, for the next 5 minutes, type me 222 in the comments if you're watching this live, or 333 if you're watching the replay. Type me 222 if you're live with me, or 333 if you're watching the replay. And today I want you to, number one, remind yourself what's your goal. Remind yourself, what do you want to accomplish in 2023? Now, we have less than 90 days for the end of the year. Most people quit it for their dreams and goals. Most people now, it's the same exact point in their life that it was in 1st of January, and they are so depressed that there is no hope they will get closer or better by the end of the year. It's a decision if you will be in the next 87 days, how many days left for the year, closer to your goals and dreams or not. So remind yourself, for example, I want to have 6 figures in my trading account. Amazing. I am so, write on a piece of paper, on a card, I am so happy and grateful now that I have a 6-figure trading account. Or I want 5 figures in my portfolio in crypto. I am so happy and grateful now that I have 5 figures on my portfolio. You have to write exactly what you want in present tense, like it's already done. And I want you to read that sentence every single hour of the day that you're awake. People say in the morning, no, morning is it's not enough. Every time you're awake, you have to remind yourself where you are going. Guess what? When you're driving, let's say you're driving 1 hour ride, you don't see, okay, I'm gonna go straight, and you don't see the GPS for the rest of the ride. No, you look the GPS constantly so you know you're going the right way. It's the same with our goals. So step number one, write exactly what you want in present tense. I am so happy and grateful now that I am a chairman 50 and I have a trading account, a personal trading account of 6 figures. I am so happy and grateful now that I have X amount of money in my crypto portfolio. And read it. And when you read it every single hour of the day that you are awake, build the image in your mind on how it is now that you are living your life from the point of view of that person you want to be, and get the emotions. Step number 2, create a to-do list. Every week, before I start my week, I have a to-do list, and I have a table on where I'm writing down my numbers, because what you measure up, you can change and improve. So you have to write down the productive activities you do or you don't do every single day, every single week, so you know how you can practically and productively improve for the next week, okay? And also your to-do lists. Now, the to-do list is productive activities you have to do. Okay, so create the plan today. So then every single day, okay, I have those 12 things that I have to finish this week. Tomorrow I'm gonna do 2 of them or 3 of them. And step number 3, find a reward for yourself that you're gonna give to yourself every single day once you accomplish your to-dos. It may be watching one episode of your favorite Netflix series. It may be eating souvlaki. It may be eating your favorite ice cream. But of course, something that is aligned with your goals. You're not gonna eat pizza every single day, but maybe you're gonna eat pizza by the end of the week as a cheat meal if you complete 80% of your to-dos. So if you do this, you will get closer to your goals and dreams. And we do not strive for perfection, we strive for progression. Let's say that last week you did nothing productive. If this week you do two things, celebrate. Watch one movie, watch one TV show, celebrate because you did more this week than you did last week. Again, we do not strive for perfection, we strive for progression. Write this down. 1 year ago, I wasn't backtesting, and my mentor Charlie told me that I have to backtest 4 hours a day. I'm not gonna punish myself because I'm not backtesting 4 hours a day. Still, I'm gonna congratulate myself and reward myself that I'm backtesting 1-2 hours a day. I'm doing more productive activities than I used to do last year. Does that make sense? So this is it from my side, guys. 3 steps to start your week for success. Number 1, write down your goal and read it every single hour of the day that you're awake. Number 2, create a to-do list, a plan of productive activities that you're gonna do for your week. And number 3, find small rewards that gonna motivate you to do the 2 productive activities. And remember, we do not strive for perfection, we strive for progression. Guys, have an amazing week. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.